Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can easily disable auto feed option on this RYOBI electric battery operated trimmer. So this RYOBI electric trimmer has the auto feed option, which means that every single time you release the trigger, the line is going to get feeded through extra, I think, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. So after you let go of the trigger a couple of times, your line is going to be really long. And if you're going to have this cover mounted, your line is going to get cut on this line cutter. I've read reviews of people saying that by the time they finish trimming entire lawn, basically they are run out of the trimmer line. So here is the simplest way to disable the auto feed option. So to stop auto feed option, all you need to do is you put your line through one of those grooves. If you put it like that and install it back, now I'm gonna go and close the lid. Now if I close the cover, now that option is disabled. And let me demonstrate this to you so you will see that it does work. So I'm going to go and hold it, and I'm gonna release my trigger a couple of times. As you can see, normally my line would have been extended a couple more times. The line is still the same length. It's basically like that. Let me show you again. Line is still the same length. So that's the quickest, easiest way to disable auto feed option on this RYOBI electric trimmer. If you have any questions or better ideas, send me a message and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.